Hi Amber and Diamond. So this side of the homework you're finding fine. However, this side of the homework where you are completing a question 1 over 4 weeks, you seem to be finding quite tricky. So let's have a look at the instructions again. First, 1. Scrim read the passage again, particularly finding your OT references for bullet point 2. So that's when you'll have a passage that looks like this. We're working on the same passage, A Trek in the Andes, about the woman and her husband who visit the Andes. And you should already have an extract that looks with lots of underlines. That was the homework for week 1. However, just in case you're finding that difficult or you weren't particularly successful that week, you can still be successful in the following weeks, because I'll give you this sheet. And as you can see here, I've taken the bullet points and I've used a different colour for each, and I have underlined your seeds, your OT references. Now, all of the blue was for bullet point 1. What did you hope to experience on this trip? And all of the orange is for bullet point number 2, which is, was the trip everything you expected? That's what you need to answer this week, okay? So the next instruction is, you might find it helpful to transfer your OT references into a structure strip, which is here, and then you write up your half page, because this we have done in class lots of times, okay? So, was the trip everything you expected? Look here, it's all the orange stuff, and I've even given you a little bit of a clue, which is everything with a smiley face is where the trip seems to be going really well and really positively, and everything with a sad face is things that were difficult or challenging. So, you know, was the trip everything you expected? Well, maybe they did expect it to be challenging, but these are sort of the more difficult things. So what do I do next? I take my OT references and I put them onto my structure strip. Because you don't want to cut up this, here's a spare structure strip. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's do that. Okay, so OT reference 1. So it was painful, but it was worth it. On top of the world is an emotion as well, isn't it? As well as being, you know, on top of the Andes. You went to lovely city. You saw the beautiful Andes. And I'm not going to do it all, but you would carry on like that. Then once you've got your structure strip, you put it on the side of your piece of paper and you write up half a page. And I've given you a sentence starter to help you. Okay, so and I'm going to change this to kind of add some of my own imagination. All the aches and we're definitely worth it. After tracking, on top of the world, physically and emotionally. This trip gave us the chance. I'm going to stop there. Okay, so as you can see, just converting, I'd stick this down, your OT references, but adding in some imagination and some voice to write up half a page. Okay, convert all of your OT references into a paragraph where you are writing as Rosemary, you're using her voice to answer that second question. Was the trip everything you expected? Okay, have a go.